Good morning. So we are walking away from the hotel. Why? To avoid the 33 parking fee, I parked around the block. That's what happens when you have a Calvinistic dad that says, hey, less is more. We're now walking to the car to be able then to drive, and in half an hour to start with the painting on the acrylic. You'll see Clara's expressions in action. So, Clara, you were asking, where is the car? I don't know. I hope I know. Not because I don't know where I parked the car, but because we never know if we'll find the car the next morning, right? Nothing is sure in this world. You are already peeking. Let's see. Is it there or is it not there, the car, right? How many times in life are we so certain about things that maybe we should not be so certain? One certainty for me in life is I know to who I belong, and that kills a certain form of my orphan spirit. Do you see the car? I saw it. You did not spot it? I saw it. It's right down there. Oh well. Bye, dears.
Hi guys, I just want to pop up here and explain what's this vlog about, because Carlo and Clara, they never do and never follow my instructions to do content. So Clara went to make this project with Bob Walker. He's a photographer, and he did Clara's birthday 18th birthday party and exhibition pictures. It's where we meet him, and then he proposed to do this project where Clara painting in a plexiglass that is transparent, and he can make the pictures under Clara. That it was so cool. And also Clara painting with the ice cream. So we are working to make an exhibition from these pieces, but we want to anticipate. It was cool. Clara loved especially painting with ice cream. So give a look and come with us.
Yes.
Oma.
That one mama crying on Thursday. What was she crying for? About the girl. And the woman that was running Sherry of the school. That Clara wants.
Mama.
That mama was also in tears. Clara, when she came home, when she was sharing this story to me.
Yeah.
At the end, she put her signature.
Oh, yes, yes.
And then that was to the system, basically, not to even personal thing. And
Yeah.
And then they got very hurt because the video spiraled
Oh,
up.
is that? Oh, I saw that one on your YouTube. Yeah.
Yeah, and we
On
needed to take
Instagram.
it off.
Oh,
Because we did not want to offend the teacher.
Yeah,
but
exactly.
That was nothing personal. It was just that I also am abusive so often that I do decisions for Clara, not with Clara.
Yeah.
And it's a
it'd be
world
very
of
hard.
difference that...
Yeah, that was a while back, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I remember seeing that video.
Yeah,
Because
it's
it was
before the
actually-
birthday. Yeah.
Yeah, it was very instructional too, though, in the sense that it was showing you that just little things like makeup are important, and that not to limit people by
Yeah, it's not
your
about even the makeup.
preconceptions.
It's a big thing of I'm able to do something also with typical...
Like you can't be a normal person. You're supposed to be a weird person.
Exactly.
I know that's. No, I have a lot of respect for what you guys are doing. That's
I help you, Clara. I see. That's a very healthy stretch you're taking. There we go. Whoopla. There we go. You're able to come back? Yeah.
Oh.
We went this morning to the gym a bit.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
When I was photographing and sitting on that chair once recently, I leaned back too far and I almost fell over.
Yeah, that's not a good idea. 74. It's just.
I was going,
Should I
Just
help?
getting into it, I was photographing kittens that were moving, you know, and it's like, whoa, 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 get my balance here.
I help you, Clara. Should I help you squeeze it out?
So how's it looking on screen? Because I can't really see much.
Hey, congratulations! I did not notice it. Yeah, you get the very nice that contrast.
Yeah, trying to mix it up from being
Wow, the dark with the light.
paint and
How do you get it so dark behind where Clara is?
I can't even see.
It's very beautiful. It really sticks out, you know.
Let me just. Face. Excited about ice cream. We're too exhausted for ice cream. We're just gonna go over here.
We're too exhausted for ice cream. Whoa! That is more than alive. But there's a green under. Because you know what's laid ahead. She can
The
go.
idea is, Clara, is not to just get the ice cream that tastes good to you, but is colorful. It's pretty. That would make the painting that you would like to have. You know, the taste is secondary. You know. Is she asleep?
She is dreaming of the ice cream, right?
Okay, that's what it is.
Or Clara, do you want to take the sweatshirt off, dear? Do you mind if I leave this bag in the car? Okay, because we're taking ice cream. Clara, the paintbrush is the best effect of all.
Plastic, that's what I'm saying.
Because the paintbrush is more setting off the other people that don't do this. And I would always do the same trick on the sides. From the sides, that is the idea, yeah.